Hi guys, I am Avantika and in today's video we're going to create an app in Thunkable.
Hi guys, I'm Avantika. So in today's video, we are going to create this app in thunkable. So as I showed you, it says on its own like laptop converts a text to speech. So let's start making this app. So go to thunkable and click on this second link here. This one, https thunkable.com. After this, you can sign up for it. It's like free, it's totally free. And then click on start today here, and then you can let it load. Yeah, so then click on create new app. After that, like give the project whatever you're creating a name. So I'm gonna name it text to speech app. Then click on create. You can also try this one by clicking on this, but for now let's try this one because I'm more familiar with this or the thunkables this part. So choose whatever it is for. You're making this app, it's not necessary to choose whatever you want because it's just like for now just choose anything. So I'll choose education and then click on create. After this, you will be redirected to the screen where you'll be creating the whole app. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing you need to put is a column. Right column here and then just drag it like this here. So after this, you need to put a label as here, text to speech here for label for this. To write the heading and drag it inside this column and write the text. So I'm gonna write this text to speech app, right? And then you can give it you can select a font size. For example, if I choose 25 or 35, so let's go with 30. This is fine, right? Then go to advanced and click on text style, and then you can just scroll and choose the font weight of it. So font weight is like when I click on bold, so as you can see the text has become like a thicker. So it depends, it ranges from like normal to 900, so you can choose it. So you can even make it like very thin like this, or you can even make it like very thick. Wait, very thick like this. So I'll do something between it. So I think I'll go with 100 because I want like this thin part. After this, we need to put a image here. So the image is just for like for making the app look good. It does not have like any other like functionality or something, but it does make the app look more good, and I like it. So search for image here and drag it here. So if you have problem like dragging it inside it, you can even put it here after this, and make sure it's inside the column. I'll tell you afterwards why I have told this. Okay, and then you put a file source. So you can either upload a file or you can also type a URL. So I'll type a URL here. So I have choose this image. So you can right click on it and click on copy image address, and then you can paste it there. So you can go to Google and then right click on it and like click on this, and then let's paste it here. As you can see, it's this image here. So as you can see, it's like a bit, it's not like properly here. So click on picture aside mode here and click on contain. So then it will be more properly. After that, let's preview it or click on live test. Sometimes this live test takes time. So as you can see now it's properly done, and this is also very thin like how I wanted it to be. And but what I want is this image to become bigger, and I think this text should also become bigger, because it does not the live test one and the what you did on screen does not match every time, but it's still fine. So let's do it. So let's increase the font size here. So let's select to 40. Let's click on live test. On the top part there's live test, and yeah, so this text looks quite good right now. And let's also increase the image's height and width. So let's click on this image here and then let's change its height and width. So let's try for something double, which is 300. I think it will be quite big, but let's still check it. Yeah, so it's like really big. So let's go with something middle. So let's go with 250 and 250. I guess that's too big, right? So let's try 230, and then let's live test it. I guess 230 will work. Yeah, so it looks pretty good right now. So the next thing we need to add is we need to add an input here. So in the input we are going to write the text, so it's like the main thing here. So to choose input here, and yeah, do it like this from here. When you see this red line, it means it's like when I leave it, it will be attached here. Yeah. So you need a hint here. So hint is like a placeholder. So whenever I live test it, let me live test it. Yeah. So you won't. This is not exactly a text. It's like a placeholder. So you know what you need to type inside it. So I'll write here. Type your text here. Okay. And I'll make it more like I'll make its height more like larger. So click on this and choose absolute size and choose it here too. And let's see 300. Yeah, it's a big 100. Yeah, 100 goals. So the width is right only. Let's live test it again. Yeah. So I guess it looks good. Yep. Or we'll make the height more bigger because I wanted to bigger. Yeah. This looks good. Okay. We'll go with this only. And next thing we need to put is we need to put a button. As you can see this button here which says say or speak, like whatever you want. You can go to label here, search for label. Oh my god, we need a button, not a label. I forgot. Yeah, drag this here. Yeah, and then let's modify it like however you want. So you can choose a background color for it. There are many background colors here, so maybe red or blue or orange, yellow, whatever you want. So I guess I'll go with, let's see, red, this color. Yeah, good. And I'll write the text here. Click to or say speak. Wait, we'll write say the text. Yeah, let's write this only. Oh, or we'll write convert text to speech. Yeah, like this. And then as I've told in the previous video, like you can also change its border radius. So let's scroll here. So border radius is like when things are rounded on the edges. So as you can see here, so this button which is like in the website made by thunkable only. So as you can see, it's not like the edges are not like pointy, it's just it's a little bit rounded on the sides, right? So it's the same thing here, it's just like it has too much border radius, that's why it appears like totally circle like in the edges. So if I put the border radius as 0, it's gonna appear like rectangular like this here. So you can choose whatever you want. I'll write, let's go with 20. 10. Wait, yeah, 10. So let's preview, live test it. Yeah, it looks good. Then yeah, so let me tell you why I told you to put the column here. So when you click on column, let's click on column. So column is like basically to put things inside it, and also for like yeah. So when I click on vertical alignment, you can choose space around. So it's gonna appear different. Let me show you. So everything was like in the center before, and now it's like they have space between them, lot of space between them, so it does not appear congested like this here. Yeah, so we have done designing with the app. Or if you want to add a background to the screen, that also you can do. So click on screen on top of here. Yeah, and then as I told you, you can go to here, uh, Google, and select a background image. Let's see. It's not necessary, but you can do it to make the app look more good, better. And then you can just right click on it, click on copy image address, and paste it here. Yeah, but the problem here is that the white part of this is seen, but it's still fine. Yeah, so this is also fine. Okay, so we are done with the designing part. Now let's start coding for it. So go to blocks here. So in here in blocks, we are going to start coding for it. So yeah, go to design again. What we need to add one more component, which is text to speech. This one. And it's not gonna appear like how you're seeing here, like label or text. It's just like in the background of the app, you can like you can it's it has uh in the background of the app, you can put it in code. It's not gonna appear like this how we put the other components here. Go to blocks again and let's start coding for it. So what we need to code for is when I click on this button, I want it to speak this code. So go to the button here which you have chosen and drag the first block which says when button 1 click. So when button 1 is clicked, what I want it to do. So in this condition, I want it to speak the text written in the label. So go to text to speech and yeah, choose call text to speech, and the speech inside it will be what's written in the text input, right? So text input here and drag this here, this one. So and attach it here. So I wanted to speak the text inputs text, right? And then you can even select the language here. So for now we are choosing English because I only know how to type in English. So let's live test it. We're done with the coding part. So when I type my text here, hi, I am Avantika. Let's check if it sees it properly.
Hi, I am Avantika.
So yeah, my name's pronunciation was not correct, but it said the text correctly. So let's start. No, let's check. What I want to check, I have not checked yet, is like it does it also change the accent. So let's choose this one, upper one. Let's choose. So hi, I am Avantika.
Hi, I am Avantika.
Oh, it's wait. I'll not write all of my name in capital. Let's
Hi, I am Avantika.
yeah. So what I saw is like it does not change the accent. That's fine. I'll try with Hindi. Okay. What if I write select the language as Hindi and write the text as English?
Hi, I am Avantika.
Oh, nothing changed. It's fine. Let's try putting some text in another language like Hindi, Marathi, or French, whatever you want. So I'll go to translate here and choose, let's try Hindi and write the text here. Yeah. So I am Avantika. मैं अवंतिका हूँ. So I'll copy this and I'll paste it here. So let's see if it says it or not. It does not process Hindi, I guess. Let's try one more time. Yeah, it does not process Hindi, no problem. Okay, so guys, we're done with this app, and yeah, so in the next few classes, we are going to do apps in Thunkable only. So make sure you check out my other videos which I've made in coder2rg. In the previous videos I've made like dance animation, Flappy Bird, screen color changing apps, like a lot of videos. So it's from basics, so you can try it out, and it's quite simple. So thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, click on the like button and click on the subscribe button and notification bell for the future updates of my videos. So thank you. Bye bye.